Hey, it's Malachi. If you want to get into mechatronics or automation, companies do not care how many videos you watched. They care if you can build something that actually works. So today we build a real 6-axis robot arm for under $200. When it's finished, you control it from your phone. The hiring manager clicks play on the video you upload. They see the arm reach out, pick up a cup, wave, and place it back down. Then they scroll to your code. They know you're ready before you even walk in the door. Every part has a purpose. The aluminum frame is a 7-degree of freedom kit that costs $42. It comes pre-drilled with servo mounts and hex screws. When you assemble it, the structure stays rigid even when the arm is fully extended. We use 6 MG996R metal gear servos that cost $27. The metal gears make them durable. Each one provides 11 kilograms of torque. That is enough to lift a half-kilogram part. One servo goes in each joint. The brain is an Arduino Uno clone that costs $15. It reads your commands and sends PWM signals to the servos. It runs on 5 volts and handles the logic perfectly for this setup. Bluetooth is an HC05 module that costs $11. You pair it to your phone once, it sends 6 numbers for the joint angles. No wires, no USB, it feels like real factory control. Power comes from a 5-volt 2-amp wall adapter that costs $9. It powers the Uno cleanly. We split the rails so the servos do not pull from the Arduino. That prevents brownouts and resets. The breadboard and jumpers cost $12. They keep the wiring neat. 1 rail for ground, 1 for signal, 1 for power. No spaghetti. The gripper is a 3D printed claw or an add-on that costs $12. 2 mini servos clamp it. It opens, closes, and releases. You can pick a bolt and drop a bolt. For the code, we use an open source 6-axis library. You clone it, upload it, calibrate each joint. It takes 10 minutes. You can tweak the speeds and make it move smooth. Push the whole thing to GitHub. Add the demo video. That is how you prove you are not just talk. All links are in the description. Amazon affiliate. No extra cost to you. Go build it.